Hey, how's it going? It's Kevin here, Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Bennie School here in Allen Park, Michigan, home of the Bobcats, and it was just an awesome day. Got to speak to kindergarten through fifth grade, got to share my heart with them, and the whole main message about positive life choices was making the biggest choice that we believe in ourselves, that if we think we can do something, we're right. If we think we can't do something, we're right. And our mind and our hearts don't really know the difference. And it's just like the quote from Henry Ford, right? Whether you think you can or you can't, you're probably going to be right. So went through a lot of famous people that failed only to finally succeed. I got to share, some of my personal stories, getting cut from a basketball team, climbing a rock wall, and failing over and over and over again, even in school sometimes, to finally push through and succeed. Because the opposite of success is not failure, what so many people think. It's quitting or choosing to give up. So as long as we give our best effort, do our best, then rest, but have fun while we're doing it, manage our stress in a healthy way. And even though we feel that fear, that it becomes this healthy fear, the one that helps us focus, the butterflies we get, but one that doesn't paralyze us, that we feel the fear but know our power over it. Because fear is forgetting everything's all right. And everything is all right as long as we know that we're miracles, know our worth, our value, like the M on all of our palms, right? That's etched on all of our palms. But it's also in knowing that we have people that are going to encourage us and build us back up, and now we take it a step further, make it our job to know that we're not just good enough, but we help others see that too, be the light to their heart. So thanks for touching my heart. Keep your head up, like the shirt says here too. If you feel down or look down or get a problem wrong or anything like that, doesn't mean you're a failure. You just keep your head back up and stay positive. Keep believing that you guys are great. You guys are awesome. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you again soon. Much love. Peace.